Ah, darn it. Can I roll?
No, here's what you do. You gotta use the phone, you gotta look on the internet.
Ah, jeez.
Use Siri.
Hey, take deep breaths.
Find out how to defuse a bomb.
You're gonna know that?
How do you use Siri?
Hold down the home button.
Just hold down the round button.
How to defuse a bomb? By the way, you're on a list now.
Okay, give me a moment. Here's what I found on the web for how to defuse a bomb.
So are they guards now?
This makes no sense of how to defuse it. I know you removed the detonator, but there's no detonator in here. This is poorly made.
You got the right one, otherwise the detonators could be the internet site.
Okay.
This is real world stuff. Real world stuff.
Is there anything against taking this with us? Moving it. That's probably a bad idea, though. Never mind.
You're in coverage.
Talk myself out of that one real quick. How to defuse a pipe bomb.
Is that a pipe bomb? It looks like it.
Yeah, it does look like it.
Hey, they got contact.
How to defuse a pipe bomb. That's not what I asked.
Here's what I found on the web for how to defuse a pipe bomb.
This sort of explosive mixture builder can find. Okay. I'm gonna trust Wikipedia here. Tightly sealed section pipe filled with explosive materials containment provided as pipe means simple low explosives can be used to produce. Okay.
Come on.
Sounds like they come from the road.
It's too slow. Bleed out through detonation. Okay. Okay. Nice. It says to try to cut slits near the end caps
Okay.
to relieve pressure, and if it has any solid explosive to remove it. So that's what I'm going to try to do.
Okay.
Tell me if I blow up.
Okay. Did you get all of them?
Trying to move this as little as possible.
Okay.
There's one in the middle. If this was that type of explosive, we're good. Or I might have just blown myself up. I don't know. Remove the end caps on the bottom, and if it had explosive powder or anything in that,
Okay.
dumped it out.
What'd you do with the material for a possible?
Yeah, we got contact going.
I just poured it out in the line. If it had a like,
You're gonna have to do something to put some dirt on it or something like that, so it won't interfere with anything.
okay. Big thing is the stuff's out of the containers now, so it won't have a explosive buildup. But I'll cover it in with dirt now, and
No possible electrical shocks or anything?
spread it way out
Okay.
over a large area. Since it has no tube caps on those, they shouldn't be able to build up pressure, and all of the powder inside of it is out and on the ground. Are we good?
Okay. So you remove the explosive material. We're going to have to do something with the other part of it, the housing. So the bomb itself, the tubes, the pipes, we're going to have to do something with it. We're going to have to remove it from the explosive material, so we're going to have to take it to truck stop.
Okay.
We take it to truck stop.
these blasting caps go off, it should only blow off my arm because it has no explosives in it. Oh, great. Okay, 1 sec. Hold off. I didn't think you were gonna kill me. Yeah, just kill him. Why not? Because I can give you the wrong spot and then you're I can't see where these are leading. I can't see anything. Cover.
Wait, is there any respawn?
Covering fire.
Shit. I can't see shit.
Can't see anything either. I dropped my gun. I'm seeing BBs coming through here at us.
Dude, I killed that.
Get over there to that large tree. Go, 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 go! Keep going to cover. Make it? Okay. Cover me! Don't fall. Do what? Do what? Can't hear. I might have just been killed by shrapnel there. What? Where? Oh, I see him coming past me. Run, run. Put about 300 rounds in this thing, so it's probably good. If not, I'm dead. What? I can't hear. Can't hear what he's saying. I think he called hit though. So. To what? I think he's hit. If you're shooting at the one way over there, stop. Can't hear him, but I think he's hit. What? I'm trying. Give me covering fire. Hold down the red hood. He's on the red hood. He's at the red hood.
Oh, hit.
That was a bomb. Supposed to get it right up there. Let's rush the guy in the red hood. Let's go, let's go, let's go, move up. What? Ow! Hit! Hit! Hit!
But they got everybody that to get
Here.
That dude lit me up like 50 times. Like, is that necessary?
Who?
No, we can still go catch him, but that's over.
Yeah, might as well just stop here. If our team's down, we're done.
I couldn't see. I'll go home now.
Who lit you up?
That, whatever his name is.
Oh yeah, he did me too. Of course, he was trying to shoot through us at other people, so it's kind of forgivable. Damn, I planted so many times. I broke my flash hider.
We can go respond. I already got one.
That was their objective, is to recapture the bomb. I'm pretty sure we're done. Pretty sure that's game.
Do we have to go to the drive?
Yeah, but they've got a head start on us, and they're heading straight down the path to move Spade. So it's pretty much done.